Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the beautiful, the one and only from Bella Beaute Bar Ocean Jewel palette. This was kindly sent to me in PR, so thank you so much to Kristen and the entire Bella Beaute Bar team for thinking of me and sending me this palette. I love an ocean theme. Let's open this beauty up and let's see what we're getting. So this is going to be a 20 pan palette. Beautiful, beautiful color story. In here, you're going to get 7 multi-chrome shimmers. One of them is going to be a holochrome. You're getting 1 duochrome shimmer, 11 buttery mattes, and 1 sequin matte shadow. This palette, very special, love the look, is going to retail for $75, but don't you worry, I do have an affiliate discount code and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. The palette is going to drop this week on Thursday, May 29th at 11 a.m. CST. I will remind you guys on my Instagram and here on YouTube in the community section, but I think this beauty might deserve a place in your stash. Let me know your thoughts, initial impressions. I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys today, 2 complete looks, so let's jump in to look number 1. Now I'm just applying some of my Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and then we will get started, and this is what it looks like in case you're interested in picking it up. I think Beauty Bay is having a whole bunch of sales going on right now, so now's the time. And happy Memorial Day, by the way. It is Memorial Day morning when I am filming this, and I'm off from work today. Yay, I get a 3-day weekend after having 1 day off the week before. We did have a work trip that we went on, so that has delayed me filming and editing and everything. That's why I think you only got 1 or 2 videos from me last week, but hopefully this week you should be able to get at least 3 videos out of me, and I'm looking forward to it. And thank you for all of you who have loved ones who courageously served our nation in our military. We remember them on this Memorial Day. Okay, so where do I want to start? You know I'm a sucker for these colors down here. Definitely, I don't think it translates on camera the way it looks in person. I think it looks much better in person. I feel like I want to do something purple, even though I'm wearing like patriotic colors, but I feel like I did blue a little more recently, and I kind of want to work with this shade as well. So what I think I'm going to do right now is work with these 2 shades and then go into this one. So the first shade I'm going to try out is Fleur de la Mar, and then I'm going to go in with Quahog, I'm not too sure, and then Tortoise. So for Fleur de la Mar, I'm taking this on, oh boy, and that is a lot of pigment. I am taking this on a Alter Ego brush. This is the 205. I've always said I think that these are nice dupes for the BK Beauty brushes. They kind of look like the Angie collaboration. And I also think Alter Ego is having sales. I mean, there's just so many sales going on. I'm debating whether I should buy a new mattress because they say that this is the time. There's like 3 specific things to buy right now. Mattress being one of them, a new car being one of them. And what was the third one? Oh, I think just like winter clothing. I've just been buying summer clothing, like for my upcoming trip and stuff. But yeah, I haven't made it out to go look at the mattresses. This last mattress I have, really enjoyed it, but I did a blind buy on it, and it's worked out really well. But I feel like you're supposed to change them every 8 years, and mine I think is almost approaching the 8 years, and so I don't know, just kind of thinking about that. Let me know what you guys are buying this Memorial Day weekend. What's on the list? Now in an Alter Ego 204, I'm going in with that second purple shade, the Hog shade that I wasn't too sure how to pronounce. And I'm going to be working this in the outer corner, but also bringing it in on the lower portion of the crease and also like on the lid. That first purple was really a little more intense than I thought, but I'm just really, really loving this color story. Now in a Sigma E42, whoa, I'm going in with Tortoise. Wow, look at that. I better be careful with this one. Major, major pigment there. And I did get a little bit of fallout. Lightly diffuse the edges a bit. But wow, that is some pigment. I'm gonna bring back the second brush I used, no additional product. Again, very light pressure. All right, so now I'm just gonna be adding some of my Moira glitter primer just to the lid. And we are gonna play with some of these beautiful multi-chromes and duochromes. I'm just gonna start with this one side. And I'm using my Morphe M709. Okay, so for shimmer shadows, I think I want there to be a contrast. So I think I'm gonna do this blue. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna start with this pinky purple one down here. And I'm gonna put that right out here. Wow. I'm gonna pick some up with my finger. That is really pretty, but yes, I did get some fallout by doing that. I'll clean it up in a second. That's beautiful. Let me flip my brush over, then I'm gonna go into Nautilus. I'm gonna put that here. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm gonna put something in the middle of these two. Look at how beautiful that is. I think I'm going to do this shade right here in the center, Mother of Pearl. That's what it looks like. Just dab that right in the center of the two to merge them. Perfect. Okay. Let me do the other eye and kind of clean up this one, then we'll move down to the lower lash line. Okay, so now we have some nice sparkly lids. I think for the lower lash line, I'm going to do this really pretty periwinkle color. This one is called Starfish. And I'm taking Starfish on a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush, and I'm going to run that all the way through. Now, I think we need something, of course, for the inner corner. I'm going to go back in with Mother of Pearl. Same little brush. I'm just going to spray it here with some setting spray and dab that right in there. I think that looks perfect. Let me pop off camera to add mascara, liner, all that good stuff. Maybe I'll do some lashes today since I'm not in a hurry. And I'll be right back to show you the completed look number one. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number one. I did add some lashes. They are the Muses lashes from Kiss. And what else? Oh, the latest Lancome mascara. This one I like. I didn't like the first one. This is the Flutter Extension Mascara. I think it's really good. A little Essence black eyeliner on the top lash line, and for the lower waterline, ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Prance. I love this look. If I can do a wear test today, which it won't be my typical wear test since I'm at home and it's already 11 o'clock. I'm about to order something for lunch. But I'll do like a mini wear test today. I'll do the real wear test tomorrow when I use this palette again as I'm getting ready for work in the morning. And I will give you guys my final thoughts on Ocean Jewel from Bella Beaute Bar at that time. But first impressions, super pigmented, beautiful, beautiful multi-chromes, duochromes in there. And it's a very pretty color story. So those are my takeaways for right now. Final verdict will come a little bit later in the video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is about 7 hours with the new Bella Beaute Bar Ocean palette. I look as great. I took a little bit of a nap, so I got a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. Everything is still beautiful, vibrant, intact, super, super pigmented, those mattes. You got to be careful with them, but let's get started with look number 2. All right, guys, so let's start creating look number 2 with Ocean Jewel. I'm wearing a floral dress and it has a little bit of these shades right here. So this is the area where I'm going to start first. The first shade I'm going in with is Sundial, and then Luminous will be the second one. And I'm taking this first shade on Again Beauty E01. One of my favorite shades in a palette is a shade exactly like this one. And this one has some very good pigmentation to it. Now in a Rephr 14, I'm going in with the shade Luminous. And I'm just picking up where I left off. This is the second half of the eye. You'll see I'm kind of bringing it into the crease as well, kind of closer to the inner corner. Now with that same brush, I am going to go into the shade Shipwreck up here. Super pigmented. All I did was dip in one time, and that's what I got. And this is going to be for our outer corner and also part of the crease. Insane pigmentation. Going back in with the first shade called Sundial. I love this. Okay, now I'm going to lay down some glitter primer and then we're going to go in with a couple shimmer shadows. Now I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is Shark's Eye. I'm going to place it right out here, the outer half. Pick it up with my finger. There we go. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade at the bottom called Oyster. Now with the brush that I used for the dark matte, I'm just using it to kind of mesh everything together right in here into the crease. No additional product. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps, but on the left eye. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Sunken Treasure. And I'm taking this on a little Beach Cosmetics pencil brush. I'm going to get some more of the first shade, this lime green, and just pop it right there. I feel like this palette is missing a green shimmer. Something similar to this matte, but a shimmer. All right, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Same everything from yesterday, with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Intense Teal. Love these shades. Love that inner corner. I will be back once I get home from work. I'll show you what this is looking like, and I will give you my final thoughts on the new Bella Beaute Bar Ocean Jewel palette that drops this Thursday. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here we are at the 10-hour mark, and Ocean Jewel is looking stunning. I got tons of compliments today, and you can kind of see a little bit of my dress here. I think you can see my dress in the thumbnail. I don't remember, but love the lime green with the teal. It's just so fun. This color story is definitely one of my favorites. Like I mentioned before, I love anything ocean themed, so I knew I was gonna love it. The only thing I wish they would have done is give us kind of like a lime green multi-chrome or duochrome, but I'll let it slide because the rest of the palette is so good, and this lime green shade is just everything. I absolutely love it. It's going to retail for $75. I do have an affiliate discount code, and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. This is a 20-pan palette full of mattes, multi-chromes, duochromes. There's a holochrome in there. A really nice formula. Bella Beaute Bar, you know, they just keep doing it right. And I really love a lot of their palettes. They have worked out so well for me, and they really do beautiful color stories and everything. I just think they hit another home run with this one. It's getting 2 thumbs up from me. It drops this Thursday at 11 a.m. CST. Details will be in the description box. Sound off in the comments below and let me know which look was your favorite and if this is going to be finding its way into your stash. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.